Have you been learning English forever, but still can't use it fluently and confidently in real life situations? Do you wish you could be more articulate, comfortable, and at ease with English? Maybe you've tried learning on your own and have found that what's on offer doesn't get to the heart of natural language acquisition in such a way that you can access the English you need at any given moment without struggle or hardship. I feel you, because it wasn't that long ago that I struggled within myself, and none of the strategies that I put into place were helping me cope with the challenges I was facing, until I realized that the degree of skill I achieve at anything is my responsibility. I could no longer blame the outside or somebody else and expect anything to change. Since then, some 10 years ago, I've taken charge of my own inner transformation through mindfulness practices that help calm, soothe, and relax my body, racing mind, and emotions, giving way to clarity and joyful focus and concentration. Now, those days of anguish and stress are behind me, and I teach clients how to overcome the English learning intermediate plateau and advance towards proficiency with happiness, simplicity, and intelligibility. Through this channel, I'm going to help you build your confidence and English skills so that you can shift that relationship that you have with it and feel at home in English in such a way that it can coexist with your native language in a spirit of harmony and understanding. There is no better way to build relationships than to have a good relationship with yourself. Having the courage to stop and look within will change everything. It'll bring understanding, which leads to real confidence, so that you can interact in English with relaxed calm and ease, whether it's in social, professional, or academic settings. Want to learn how? Subscribe to the channel and click the bell to be notified every time I upload new content. I am here for you.